Here's this patio table I made last year out of white oak and roasted heat-treated red oak. And this is what it looked like when I was all done, just nice and rich in color, right? After a year of sitting on this uncovered patio, just getting blasted by the sun and the rain, the color's faded, it needs a refresh, but you were right on time. I'm gonna show you how this goes every step of the way. We're just gonna wash it off, apply a new coat of oil, and then wipe on a UV protectant. Watch this transformation. This is really cool. Real quick, I should mention that this is the finish set I'm using. So you probably noticed how nicely the water was beating up as we were washing that table. That tells me that this finish is actually holding up pretty well and keeping the wood sealed. I really like this finish. It just does a nice job. It can take a beating while keeping the wood good and protected. But equally important to me is how easy it is to rejuvenate the color of sun-faded wood. You don't need to spend the time stripping it all off. You just need to wash it, maybe sand it a little bit, and wipe on a new coat. Aside from choosing a wood and a finish that are best for outdoor furniture, it really helps the longevity of your projects if you design and build it in a way that allows water to shed off and air to circulate around. So that's the purpose of the gaps between the slats in the tabletop and the open design of the base. But it also goes a long way to make sure the wood is elevated up off the ground, which is why I've got these rubber feet on this table. Otherwise, if it sits right on the ground, it's going to encourage the wood to rot. Obviously, we don't want that. Now, to help the natural color of wood look nice over a longer period of time, wipe on a coat of UV protector called Hardwood Sun Shield. All right, that just about covers it. So my name is Mark. I'm from Woodworker Source. We sell woods like this to people like you. We ship it right to your door if you want to. But we also got 3 stores in Arizona, plus our website. You can visit us any one of those. We'd love to help you out. I always enjoy showing you these things and demystifying stuff about hardwood lumber and how to use them in your projects. So I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.